Hey, you're with TheEZGZ. Today I'm going to make a video about how to replace broken fence posts. I'm at a friend's house, and what we've got here is five of these fence posts were broken right at the base. Doesn't matter what the reason is. I've already replaced this one, and then I got the idea, hey, I should make a video about this. This is Marley. Hi, Marley. And so there's not a lot of videos on exactly an easy procedure, and I'm not sure that mine is the best. Post hole digger, of course, various shovels. I've got a sharpshooter here. This is one of the handiest tools of the bunch right here, because you don't want to disturb or make your hole any bigger than you have to. Now what I've got here is a great big tree root that's coming across, and what I'm going to do is use this Sawzall blade. I'm going to try to pull these nails out of the top without damaging this rail. The wood is actually in pretty good shape, with the exception that it's broke right here at the base. Boom, and this is going to be the replacement. This is pressure treated pine. It's got a slight tint to it. I've got a pile of metal here. This is a cherry picker. I'll show you when I put it together, and it'll say record.
Okay.
And now it's recording.
Okay.
Okay. Easy as pie. Go ahead, turn it off now. Alright, so we finally got all the nails loose, got the rails loose, and now we got our broken posts out. So we're going to set that aside. We may use that here in a little bit, and we'll set up our cherry picker.
There you go, simple as that.
What I did was take a chain. You could use a bolt. This one already had a hook on it, and I'm just wrapping it around, and then I'm just gonna put it on a link here, and then I'll hook my cherry picker up, or some other type of pivot device. You could hook this onto a vehicle, preferably a trailer hitch on a truck, and you could pull it. If you wanted to create less damage to the hole in the ground, it's better to pull it straight up, and that's what I'm trying to do, since I'm resetting the post in the same spot. Now what I'm going to do after I pull this up, and it's too tough right now, I'll hook my cherry picker up. I'll fill the hole in, and every 6 inches or so I'm going to take the new post and I'm going to hammer that dirt. I'm going to fill the whole thing as full as to the top as I can, even if I have to get some dirt from someplace else and fill it in. And I'm going to tamp it as I go, and then I'll take the post hole digger and I will make a new hole. That way I don't have to use so much concrete, and the dirt is compacted. And when we get finished and put some, we're just gonna put some dry concrete mix in there, just regular sackcrete, except I'm not going to add water and go through all that mess. I'm just going to put the dry water in there. You can splash a little bit of water in there if you want, but I don't want the risk of, once I get my pole height exactly where I want it, I don't want anything caving in there, and then you just dump your dry powdered mix. If you do it afterwards, or you don't do it at all, in this particular ground, we're right next to a lake, and this is a fertile area, and it will harden. The concrete will harden without having to do anything to it, if you use the pre-mixed sackcrete. So you just have to see what's available for you.
Well, we'll turn that off right
No.
now.
That's okay. We're going to leave that on because
This can happen, right?
my viewers love it when TheEZGZ screws up. So you got the general idea. I was using the broken fence post, and I was making a lever out of the top of my cherry picker. And you know, they make post hole removers and so on and so forth, and yeah, there's a lot of ways to skin a cat, and there's a lot of ways to do this job, but somebody might already have one of these cherry pickers and not think of using it, or engine hoist. We always call them cherry pickers. Or you might have a neighbor that works on cars and has something similar, and you might have the room to get after it. And I just thought I was looking for some ideas, and I didn't see what was gonna work for me real well, but I thought of this, and I thought I'd post up a video on it. So I hope it helps somebody out there. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. TheEZGZ out. And say hi to my assistant, Mary. You might be seeing more of her.
Like them.
Okay.
Okay, it's going. It's red.
It's going red. So we just loosened it up with the stick, even though it did collapse on us, but it got it out enough where I'm able to pull it out by hand and get it out of the way. Then you can break it up into smaller pieces or haul it away like this. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Used to look like when I was doing this stuff, this work.
All right.
How do you get down to it? It's like one for every three I'd miss.
All right, you can do this. I know you can.
I don't know. Whoops.
It's just a little staple.
Yeah, huh? How come I can't even
Right
get
here,
it right?
right here. This is where you hit. I'll put my finger there.
Okay. Keep it there. Every other, that's not so bad.
You're doing, you know,
Yeah.
it's a percentage basis here. Eventually.
This is awful. Ah, what the heck? You're making me mad now.
Oh, you're doing so good.
But I need to push it up a little bit, don't I? Okay, watch out. Watch the camera.
It's your fence.
I know, but it's your camera if I hit it.
What? Well, you were going to have this one staple in, and 30 feet of fence is going to be laying on the ground.
Making me laugh. Not that that would help. I mean, it doesn't help. Oh, stop it. I can't.
Here, let me help you. Let me just try it.
Okay.
There we go.
And it broke.
Did it? No, it didn't.
Oh, okay. What's that right there? Something around it.
That's a hurt. That's an owie.
Okay, where's my next triumph going to come from?
Yeah. Yeah. There we go.
Okay.
Now, as long as I suggest you stay away from the knot.
Okay.
There we go. There's a good spot.
Okay.
Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah, we'll see.
There's a little slack there.
Okay.
Oop, go down, go down. One more. There you go.
Okay.
You want to stay away from these knots. Those knots are hard. Kind of angle it over this way, so when you're swinging, it kind of follows the natural arc of the hammer. It kind of helps you.
Okay.
There you go.
Should I be with the long leg or the short leg on the bottom?
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter? Okay.
No.
Kind of this, huh? Right there, about like that. Something like that.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Now, that's it. You're moving your body. See, you're following the arc. Now, I'm waiting for that.
You said too much. Following the arc. Okay.
Oh, man. My nose is starting to run. I'm laughing so hard. Very good. Very good. See? Accuracy is what's important.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about the strength. It's going in.
Gotta keep my eyes on it. I'll bring people out here and show them what I did.
You know, you've improved 200% just since you started.
Yeah, I haven't done a whole lot of this with these kind of things.
You want a break for dinner? Ouch! Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. TheEZGZ out.